I have anal beads that are communicating with stockfish via Bluetooth.
Yeah,
we'll get to that.
Yes, we will get to that.
It's
epic. It's actually scary how many people think that's a real thing, by the way, which is the danger of the internet. But we will get into that. But
I tend to believe that people believing a thing that's hilarious at scale will make that thing a reality. I'm with Elon on this. I think people manifest the meme. The meme becomes real. So that's in all walks of life. I think there is something about humor, sort of being. Why did I was gonna what was I was going to say is I feel like humor becomes a lubricant for the trajectory of human civilization, and I don't know why the word lubricant went into my head, which
beads.
I understand,
Yeah.
but it's very Freudian.